question is find the point on x-axis which is equidistant from 2 comma minus 5 and 2 comma minus 2 comma 9. First find the point on x-axis which is equidistant from 2 comma minus 5 and minus 2 comma 9. Then first we point is on x-axis. Point is on x-axis. Point is on x-axis. Point is on x-axis. Point is on x-axis and also equidistance. First you draw coordinate plane. First you draw a coordinate plane. X-axis, y-axis, origin 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, minus 1, minus 2, and so on. And so on. Point on axis. Point on axis means point on axis. On x-axis y is equal to 0. On y-axis x is equal to 0. Simple. So we want point on x-axis. So the point on x-axis is let the point on x-axis is P x comma 0. X comma 0. Point is x comma 0. Suppose locate point x comma 0 on x-axis. So suppose here P x comma 0. P x comma 0. Other 2 points plus 2 minus 5. Plus 2 minus 5. This is A. Plus 2 minus 5. Join P and A. P and A. Next, another point is minus 2 plus 9. Suppose here. 3 minus 2 plus 9. Join P and P. He said equidistance. These 2 points are equidistant from x-axis. Point on the x-axis. So, the distance between P and B and the distance between P and A are same. Are equal. So we know that the formula of finding the distance between 2 points, distance between two points A x1 comma y1 B x2 comma y1 y2 x2 comma y2. Then AB is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the formula. Now we find the distance between P and A and P and B. So P x comma 0, a 2 comma minus 5, right? x1 y1 x2 y2. These values substitute in this formula. So PA is equal to PA is equal to square root of x2 minus x1. x2 is 2, x1 is x. So 2 minus x whole square plus y2 minus y1. y2 is minus 5 minus 0 whole square. So 2 minus x whole square plus 5 5s are 25. This is the equation number 1. It's the equation number 1. Now find the distance between P and P. P x comma 0, B minus 2 comma 9, minus 2 comma 9, right? x1 y1 x2 y2. Find the distance between PB. PB is equal to square root of. These values are put in this formula. We shall get the distance between P and B. So x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1 minus 2 minus x whole square plus y2 9 minus 0, 9 minus 0 square root of minus 2 minus x whole square plus 9 nines are 81. This is equation number 2. Equation number 1 and equation number 2 are equal. Y is given equidistance. Is given equidistant. So PA is equal to PB. PA is square root of 2 minus x whole square plus 25 is equal to PB is equal to square root of minus 2 minus x whole square plus 81. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Square root of 2 minus x whole square plus 25 whole square is equal to square root of minus 2 minus x whole square plus 81 whole square. Square root cancel. Then write 2 minus x whole square plus 25 minus 2 minus x whole square plus 81. A minus b form. A minus b whole square, a plus b whole square, expand. A square, 2 square, b square, x square, minus 2ab, 2 into a, 2b, x, plus 25. A square, minus 2 whole square, plus b square, minus x whole square, plus 2 into a, minus 2, b minus x plus 81. Simplify. 2 square 4 x square minus 2 2s are 4 4 into x 4x plus 25. 2 square 4 x square a plus into minus 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 into minus plus 2 2s are 4 4 into x 4x plus 81. On both sides, same value, same sign. So cancel. Now write minus 4x plus 25 plus 4, 29. Where 4x plus 81 plus 4, 85. Where separate variables and numericals. So 4x minus 4x minus 4x. This plus 4x transpose into left side, then minus 4x, right? Minus 4x. This plus 29 transpose into right side, right? Minus 29. So we get minus 8x here plus 56 plus 56. So plus 85 minus 29 we get plus 56. We get x is equal to 56 by 8 7 times. So x is equal to minus 7. X is equal to minus 7. Actually, find the point on x-axis. Point on x-axis is x comma 0. Therefore, point on x-axis is equal to x comma 0. X is minus 7. Minus 7 comma 0. Minus 7 comma 0. Question is find the point on x-axis which is equidistant from 2 comma minus 5 and minus 2 comma. P1 point on x-axis. Point on x-axis. So on axis, if a point on x-axis y is equal to 0, if point on y-axis x is equal to 0. So first you draw coordinate plane, x-axis, y-axis, horizon, and values mark them. Now put the points P, A, B. Let the point on x-axis x comma 0. Let the point on x-axis P x comma 0. X comma 0. Another 2 points locate there. Now join them. These two distances are equal. So we know the formula to find the distance between 2 points is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. First choose these 2 points A and P right there and mark x1 y1 x2 y2. These values put in this formula, we get PA is equal to some value, that is equation number 1. Next, find the distance between P and B. Write P and B points and name them x1 y1 x2 y2. These values put in the formula, we get PB is equal to square root of minus 2 minus x whole square plus x 81. This is equation number 2. These two equations are equal. Why? He given equidistance. So P1 is equal to 2, 1 PA, 2 PB. PA is equal to PB. PA value square root of 2 minus x whole square plus 25. PB is equal to square root of minus 2 minus x whole square plus 81. Squaring on both sides. We squaring on both sides and do simplification, we get x is equal to minus 7. Actually we want point on x-axis. So point on x-axis is x comma 0. X is minus 7. So write minus 7 comma 0. Minus 7 comma 0. Okay.